Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Love Bree, and today I have an entry from Carina, who I will make sure to have linked down below. So thank you, girl, for playing along. I miss it. I definitely do. She did have it wrapped in this really pretty textured wrapping paper. It honestly feels like tablecloth, but like that good quality plastic tablecloth. It's so nice. I try to save as much as I can of it. I did have to cut the edges, which is why it's already off. But this is her box right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up with you guys. But I thought I'd let you guys know that, you know, me and her have just been swap buddies for the longest. And but yeah, it's really cool to know how long we were talking, long we've been talking for and swapping and whatnot. So thank you, girl, for playing along. I really do appreciate you. I do miss it. I miss swapping with her. She was like, she's always the person I go to when I disappear and come back and I'm like, I want to swap with someone but don't know who. All right, so here it is. The first thing it gives me, so she's a Disney fan too, but you guys, she does like Tangled. I did send her some Tangled mail, and you guys, I never posted about it, but it was so cute. I loved it. She is a huge Tangled fan, but right once I opened this, it just gave me like Ariel vibes. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it has like this really pretty teal colored tissue paper, and then she has purple shred in here. That is really cute. Okay, so let me open this. Ooh, purple and gold, y'all. I am a Lakers girl, so my whole entire life, that is my team. This is so cute. She did add pink in there, which is even prettier, but you know, purple and gold all the way. So let me go ahead and take everything out. She never disappoints, you guys. I always love swapping with her. Okay, so here is some candy. Yes. Okay, you guys, so this is her little card. I will read this later, but it's in there, and this is her entry right here. Should have taken these out, but it's okay, we'll do that after. Okay, so here is her first thing right here. It's a bag that she made, and she's embellished it. It looks like everything she used is Garden Party, and right here she has some ephemera and a cardstock sticker, and then she scattered on some of the chipboard hearts and some enamel dots. And that is the front of the bag. And inside she's gifted some candy. So she does gift candy whenever we swap, and I always love it because you can't go wrong with some candy. So here she has some robin egg, mini robin egg whoppers. Yep, can't go wrong with Cadbury. You gotta have that. You gotta have Cadbury eggs. And Kit Kat, and another Kit Kat in there. So I will definitely be sharing this with Chris because I like to share candy with him. So there is the bag full of candy. And then I will open this one up next. So cute. So this is a 3D project. It is a frame, and she stitched it all with gold stitching. And she basically made a little scene right here with some of the cardstock stickers. She has the frog, the two flowers, and she also has the pink house chipboard piece. One of my favorite pieces of chipboard is that pink house. And I said that in my last entry too. And on top, she's actually used some mint twine, baker's twine. And she's tied it around 3 times and made a bow on top. And then at the bottom, she put an ephemera piece that says, "Look at you grow," and added 2 heart rhinestones on the ends. This is so cute. I love it. She does do these kinds of projects a lot, and I always love when she makes them. I feel like this is perfect for like a Christmas tree ornament. I think that would be really cute. But I cannot wait to put this on my shelf. I kind of want to buy an easel, like a mini easel, and kind of have it on there. I think that would be really cute, right? So here's that. Thank you, girl, for that. That is cute. And then in here, okay, so in there she had some sequin mixes, and you guys, she always gives sequin mixes, and I always love them. So she has this really cute, I don't know if this is a die or if she followed a tutorial or what, but it is the cutest little holder. Can you guys see that? And it holds 2 of these vials, and they have sequins in there. But let's go over the outside really quick. She did do some stitching on the layering piece here, and she's added some butterflies around, you know me and my butterflies. And she has a stitched, like a faux stitched heart die cut and a scallop die cut behind it. And on this side she did the same thing, but she added a garden party sticker. So I think she actually cut this out from one of the packaging and she put it on there. That is cute. And inside she has put some Velcro to hold it down, and she has made a freshly picked sequin mix and a blooming mix. Like, how genius is that? Let me put this, sorry, actually put this later. She has 2 different kinds of sequin mixes and she has labeled them. That is cute. Here are her 2 different mixes. How adorable are these? So this one is more pastel, this one is more muted, but it still gives me very garden like vibes. This one right here especially, so if you guys play Animal Crossing or anything like that, this kind of reminds me of my Animal Crossing, not garden, but like more the veggies and whatnot. Because anyway, enough talking about Animal Crossing. I don't need to be talking about it like that. This ain't no gaming channel. But anyway, that is her really beautiful mixes. If you guys can see, I love these. Again, like I said, I've always loved everything she's made, and we have been swap partners for the longest. We haven't swapped in a while, but you guys, I always love swapping with her. It's always my favorite thing to do when it, or yeah, it's always my favorite is when I swap with her. So there is that. And then the last thing is this right here. She has wrapped it with some of that same mint green baker's twine, and she has her embellishments in here. So these are her entries. So the first one she made is a heart keychain embellishment. She has the ball chain in white right here on the little looped part, and she has embellished this with some of this crinkle seam binding crinkle seam binding in pink, and then she has the cardstock stickers layered on top right here. And I think she hand cut these little flowers right here. Do you see how tiny these are? And it says follow your heart. I love this. Definitely going to be displaying it. Let me see. I don't know if it's adhered on. No. Okay, so let me just show you guys real quick. It looks like this. Is this not pretty? I have this die. I just haven't played with it yet, but I cannot wait to use it now that I see how she's made hers. I feel like my die is bigger. I don't know. That's like the perfect size. And then her bag topper, she just added You Are So Loved. It's an ephemera piece, and she just backed it onto a piece of pattern paper that is folded in half and added 2 rhinestone heart stickers. And then here she has some really chunky rosettes. She has embellished 2 and gifted 2 for me to embellish. She's also added some gold glitter tulle on top of each one, and look at the embellishing on her rosettes, you guys. This one says You Are So Loved. She has some butterflies and pearls for the bodies, and here she has the another girl and put the XOXO stickers behind, and she added some butterflies again with the pearl bodies. These are so pretty, and she's backed it onto some white polka dot acetate. I love them. Thank you for these. I think my voice cracked. That's kind of embarrassing. But anyway, that's that. And then here she has some bows, and these are the double bows. And she's also wrapped each one of them with gold thread. Can you guys see? I am using a different desk, so the glare is a little bad right here. I apologize, but these are so pretty. love them. There's 2 floral print ones. These use the little house papers, and then these are like a check, like a gingham print, and this is like the checkered print. Is that what that's called? I think, yeah. So there's that. And then the last one, ooh, look at these. I'm gonna ask her where she got this cute little bow die, because that is really cute. Okay, anyway, she has these flag embellishments, you guys, and she has made 3 for me to embellish myself, and she's also done some gold stitching. And then here, look at her embellishing. I love them. How am I gonna be able to use these, guys? Y'all tell me. How do you guys tell yourself, like, I need to use it if it's made from someone else? Because, I mean, obviously, it's not like these are things you could just buy. But look at, so pretty. I'm going to keep repeating myself, too, because these are just adorable. I love them. I'm going to adore these off camera. But anyway, here they are. Are these not the most prettiest things ever? I cannot wait to decorate some of these, but I absolutely adore that little bow die. I need to ask her where she got that from. Hopefully she can tell me, and then we can see if it's still available. But those are her entries, because it looks like there's 4 here, so I'm assuming those are her entries, and these are just extra gifts. So thank you, Carina, for playing along. I really do appreciate you for playing along and for gifting me the cutest things and the best sequin mixes ever. I always love her sequin mixes, you guys. So I will make sure to leave her links down below. She does have an Instagram and a YouTube channel, so make sure you guys check her out. But if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. And I hope that you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that you guys are watching this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!